outside.
Oh my gosh, it's like flooding in the street. Wow. Camera doesn't even catch all the rain. There's a lot of it, man. It's only been on for like 5 minutes and the power's already out. Oh look, she's recording too. We're recording each other recording. Hey, Noah. Wow, man.
Look at the grate.
I know, I can see it. What? See it a little.
I see it.
You can still see it a little.
I want to see the huge lightning.
This is weatherman Aunt Missy reporting live from 8th Street in North Beach. We just had a bad storm. Some may say a tornado of sorts come through here. We're going to survey the damage. If you look over here,
It's a raccoon. No.
that is a piece of a tree.
Who's your daddy?
Not sure where it came from, but there it lays.
Oh gosh, this is bark. Oh, the horror. Oh, the horror.
You can still see a rainbow.
Back to you.
A little.
Where's the black girl?
They're calling me every 5 minutes.
Say something. Yeah.
I was having fun. I was having fun.
Jared, what are you doing? Okay, whatever. He's gonna like run into me.
Okay. Okay, let's interview.
Oh no.
We get to decide.
Let's
This is
interview.
a road.
Let's interview Noah.
Okay, here. Christian, get in.
We're going to interview some of the survivors here.
Oh, yeah.
In the aftermath of the storm of June 2011. You, sir, bald guy.
Yo, Riri.
Sir, would you mind interviewing for the camera?
No.
So, how bad?
Oh my gosh,
How bad?
Jared.
We are hiding his face.
This survivor has some mental issues and we need to find somebody else.
We are hiding
You,
his.
sir, with the super tacky shorts. Tell us, how did you and your family cope through this?
What does cope mean?
Serious? Our public school system has failed us if you don't know what the word cope means by this point in your life.
You know what the word what means?
Cope. Cope. Cope.
Christian.
Oh my gosh.
You know what the word
So
cope
sad.
means?
Go.
Oh no, we had to eat our dad. It was awful.
You're a bad
Fire
actor.
trucks and ambulances.
I'm so scared. Save
More
yourself.
branches. Okay, Christian.
Christian.
He's not going to. It is raining
Oh wow.
everywhere.
Hoping all the houses were hurt.
Wow.
What if those two trees right there fell?
Okay.
Hey guys, get to one side of the road. Christian, stay on the side of the road.
Maybe we should have had him. We don't want to get in their way.
Maybe I can ask this guy some questions. Give it a minute. You gotta be casual about it.
Are you really gonna ask him questions?
This kid over there?